In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download DaVinci Resolve 20 for free, step by step, using the official Blackmagic Design website. This is the safest and most reliable way to get the installer, because you want to make sure you're downloading the real version and not some modified file from a random source. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button, and make sure you subscribe for more software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open your web browser and go to the official Blackmagic Design website. This is the only verified source for DaVinci Resolve, and it's important because downloading software from the manufacturer helps protect your computer from malware, fake installers, or unauthorized changes. Once the website loads, look at the top menu and click on Products. From there, choose DaVinci Resolve from the software category. Now you'll land on the main DaVinci Resolve page. This page is where Blackmagic Design separates the free version from the paid studio version, so pay close attention as you scroll. Keep going until you find the free Download Now button. It should be easy to spot, because it's usually displayed prominently on the page. When you click that button, a pop-up window will appear, showing the available download options. Inside that download window, you'll usually see DaVinci Resolve 20 on the left side and DaVinci Resolve Studio 20 on the right side. Since we want the free version, make sure you choose the left option. This is the correct choice for the free license, and it gives you access to the full standard version of DaVinci Resolve without paying for studio features. After selecting the free version, you'll need to choose your operating system. Click the button for the platform you use, whether that's Mac OS X, Windows, or Linux. This matters because each operating system needs a different installer package, and choosing the right one ensures the software installs properly on your machine and works with your system drivers. Next, a registration form will appear. Blackmagic Design requires you to fill in some basic details before it gives you the download link. Enter your name, email address, and any other requested location information. This form is required, so make sure the information is entered correctly. Once everything looks good, click the Register and Download button in the bottom right corner. After you submit the form, the website will validate your details and generate a direct download link for the installer. At this point, your browser should start downloading a zip file to your computer. Depending on your internet connection, this may take a little while, because DaVinci Resolve is a large program and includes powerful tools for editing, color correction, fusion, and Fairlight audio work. Once the download is complete, open your File Explorer and locate the zip file in your Downloads folder, or wherever your browser saved it. Before you install anything, you need to extract the contents of the zip folder. This is an important step, because running the installer directly from a compressed folder can sometimes cause permission issues or prevent the setup from working correctly. After extracting the files, open the folder and find the executable installer. Double-click it to launch the setup process. From there, just follow the on-screen prompts. The installer will check your system, install the needed components, and guide you through the rest of the setup. In many cases, once the installation is finished, you can open DaVinci Resolve 20 right away without needing an activation key. And that's it! You've now successfully downloaded DaVinci Resolve 20 for free using the official Blackmagic Design website. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.